EventHues. We are a marketplace for local providers who provide event services for unique events. So if any one of you have had the opportunity to organize an event, you know it's a very time-intensive process. You're always racing against time. You're always tracking budget, and more often than not, exceeding your budget, going back and forth with service providers. And at the end of the day, you're looking to make your event memorable and do something unique. For the service providers, they're small and medium-sized businesses, always looking for new customers, don't have skills and resources for marketing. Marketing is expensive, and they're often chasing leads that don't result in a business. So our opportunity is in connecting the event organizer with the right local service provider, and we are targeting the multi-billion-dollar business catering and events industry. Our goal is to become this one-stop shop to book catering services, entertainment services, and unique experiences for your group activity. Our solution is our platform, which is a trusted network of local providers vetted by us, who provide convenient alternative for event services. Providers can create pre-packaged services on our site and on their own personalized web page, and organizers can book these pre-packaged services and book their events anywhere on the go. Today, the marketplace comprises of caterers, chefs, and entertainers, and our business model is taking a transaction fee from the provider. Just a quick recap of where we are now. We are part of the Babson WinLab Accelerator. Our product is live and available to use. We have quite a lot of traction with corporate clients in the Boston and Cambridge area. And we are looking for seed capital and also looking for talent, engineers, and business development folks. So if you're interested, please contact me at monica@eventhues.com. So this is our live website. So we are offering catering services, unique experiences, cooking classes, unique dining experiences, and entertainers and artists. We're looking to expand the category, of course, down the road. So if let's say you look for catering in the Boston area, so you see these providers that get matched, and each provider has their own unique personal web page. It's kind of like their own micro website. You see a catering service with their menus, breakfast, sandwiches, salads, appetizers, and you can book it right here and now, and you will get your confirmation within an hour or so. This is it's easy to see a package for a catering menu, but back. Even for like a live music event, you can book it through a pre-packaged service. So we have these guys here. They have a string duo, and you can hear their music. We will provide you a link. We'll have the video support and audio support on our site pretty soon too. And you just add it to your cart and you book it. You choose the genre that you want, and you book it and you get confirmation. We do have a messaging system built in, so you have the capability of messaging with the artist and communicating with them about your event if you need something special. We also offer a concierge service if you don't know what you're looking for, and you have a special need for either some kind of food or entertainment. Send us, you fill up the form, and then we start working on it, and we'll get you booked with the right provider. So I think that's it for the product. Any questions?
Two things. So first, you said it's B2B. Do you also do B2C? And second, do you do anything with venues?
Yeah, so definitely. I mean, it's open to anybody to use. We're just getting more traction from the corporate world at this time.
And then do you have venues that you can also locate, be able to find through the system?
We are looking at venues too. I mean, I mentioned we are a vetted vendor for one of the co-working spaces, and we're generating interest from the other co-working spaces as well because they have a large event venue. But definitely, yeah.
What's your business model?
Pardon me?
What's the pizza for this event?
Next time, for sure.
What's your business model?
It's a transaction fee we charge the provider.
So the fee is based on once a contract is signed between the two, or is it like just for them to post, they have to pay a fee?
No, only when they get booked. We charge them only when they get booked. And I think that's where we are different from some of the other platforms. I mean, we don't have a back and forth going between the vendor and the organizer.
How do you prevent the person who wants a provider to establish a one-on-one? You know, for example, I saw the people who were the cost center or whatever it was, the musicians. Why wouldn't I just contact them directly?
You could, but I think that's where we add value for the corporate event coordinator or the admin. They're often like strapped for time. They always get these last minute requests. They have so many things to do on their plate. We provide them a vetted provider on our website. We also have some stickiness through the website through loyalty programs, and we provide other features in the down the road. So I think that's where we add the value add for the corporate event coordinator or the admin who's trying to book the last minute business lunch.
But you don't, when you're trying to book a musician, you don't have access to their schedule, correct?
We don't, but we get you booked within 24 hours. That's our understanding with them.
About how many matches are you making per month between your service providers and your customers?
So we have very few right now, but we just starting to penetrate the corporate market. But yeah, not too. I mean, about tens. Under 10 right now, but growing pretty rapidly because the interest is we're getting a lot of interest from the corporate space in Boston and Cambridge. When we did the pilot in the New England area. It was more of a B2C kind of a pilot, but now we're trying to penetrate the corporate market. Yes.
How do you do your awareness? How do you get to new customers? Find out about it.
So again, going back to my pilot, when I did the pilot last year to test the demand and match organizers to the providers, the conversion rates through ads was phenomenal. But then we pivoted to a different kind of a transaction-based model, and now it's generating leads through the corporate contacts that we have. Go ahead.
So is there a way either through you or through some third-party integration to keep track of all of the bookings that you've made? So let's say you're putting together an event and you booked the caterer, you booked the musician, but you forgot something. Is there a way you could go and say, here's who I have booked, here's something missing?
You mean for the organizer, event organizer? Yes. I mean, I think those are some of the tools that we can build, and that will add stickiness for the to the platform. But I think there is a lot of opportunity to build tools to help you manage your event. Was that your question for the?
So that's what I was asking. Is that my understanding is that roadmap that you're in?
Right. So right now it's just a marketplace that helps you get matched. But I think what you're asking is, are there tools that we can build that will help you figure out what you have, what else you need to do for your event, right? And I think that's down the road, hopefully.
Okay.
Yes.
Your exposure to liability, or how do you protect yourself from that? Someone books something and then something happened before that. Does your liability stop once they book it, or do you take on any responsibility?
We do take some responsibility. I think I'm out of time, but we also make sure that the provider is fully vetted and insured. Okay, I think I'm out of time. Thank you very much.